Hello, I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce to you the Fox Racing Shuttle 180 Cota gear bag. This Fox Racing Shuttle 180 gear bag is going to be the perfect bag for the track. It's going to be an easy bag to put your gear in, to be able to toss in the back of your truck, or even to take on an airplane with you if you're traveling to a distant race or location. Now this bag's going to have a vented compartment at both ends. I personally like to put my helmet at this end of the bag. Two reasons. Number one, the inside of this cutout here is going to be larger and it's roundish shape, so your helmet fits perfectly. On this end of the bag, we're going to open the bag up and your boots are going to be able to fit upside down. So the tops of the boots are going to slide down and your soles are going to come across this direction. That's going to be the perfect fit for when you raise this bag up. Your helmet's going to be protected up here on the top and your boots are going to take the brunt of anything that happens down there on the bottom. It's going to be the perfect scenario. Inside the center here, we have a really large compartment that will be large enough for all of your moto gear. You could probably get 3 or 4 different sets of gear, a chest protector, knee braces, elbow guards, all inside this bag, including your helmet and your boots. Now before we open the bag up and show you the inside of the bag, I can tell you the dimensions of this bag are 35 inches in length, 16 inches in width, and 18 inches in height. Now this gear bag is lightweight, but it has a weight capacity of 114 pounds. As packed as I've ever had my gear bag, it's never weighed 114 pounds, so you should be good with this Cota version of the Shuttle 180. Another couple features that I really like is this handle right here at the end. The bag is long enough that you don't have to bend over really far to be able to get a hold of this handle. Because it is a fabric handle, there's really nothing to break. There's no handles to break or to stop working, it just is a really simple setup. On the bottom of the bag, we have these rails that are really nice for being able to pull it across the bed of your truck or to slide it from one transition to the next. We have some really nice rollerblade type wheels here at the bottom, made out of polyurethane. So this bag is built really nicely. It's got a sturdy bottom, and it's gonna be one of the perfect bags to haul your gear around for that price point that's right around 150 bucks. Now, let's get into the bag. So here at this end of the bag, like I said, is best for the helmet. You can see that it's concaved on the inside. It's gonna allow your helmet to sit perfectly inside here. And when zipped up, these 2 vent holes are gonna allow your sweaty helmet to air out and be perfect the next time you wanna wear it. Moving over to this end, we have a compartment here that's relatively thin. It's only about this big in width that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. You're then gonna allow your boots to have the toes angle forward. You'll be able to fold this up and over, seal it up. And again, these 2 vent holes in the bottom of the bag are gonna allow you to have breathability for those stinky motocross boots that we love so much. Moving to the inside of the bag, for reference on just how much gear this is gonna hold, we have a full-size helmet box. And then below that, we have a set of Pod K4 knee braces. Flipping the bag up so you can see inside, you can see we have a mesh pocket here at the top, and then lots of storage space here on the inside as we demonstrated. Now this bag, when empty and collapsed, takes up about half the room of a traditional hard-walled bag. This Fox Racing Shuttle 180 Cota gear bag is a phenomenal bag if you're looking to get maximum storage capacity and a lightweight package. If you liked what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you saw something in this video that was unique or interesting, or a feature of this bag that you thought was impressive, please leave a comment below. We'd like to hear from you. If you want more action like this to come directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, I'm Kyle. Take care and ride safe.